and then you press.
Press.
Okay? And then, when you ready this one, you should first pull this one. Then this one is ready to use. Okay? Number 2 lang ako dahil.
Kaya manimawa ka ni ma'am.
Yes. And then, when you press this one, you should
Press.
press this one. Just only a pinch, like this. You touch the skin and then you pull this one. Okay?
Huwag kayong mag-pindot na hindi nakadiin. Kumbaga.
This is a dirty finger.
Contaminated.
Nagkakasundo sila eh. Para lang sa rin
Because we don't have alcohol swab.
Okay.
Always the middle finger na lang.
No, it's okay. Kahit saan.
Yeah.
Mostly, sa mother ko kasi here, this finger.
Yeah, even here or here, it's okay, no problem. The important you press the.
Oh.
Then there's a, yeah, the blood.
The blood, the
The blood
first
is
one you
coming out
can
now.
wipe it. And then you.
The second. Inakaso mo, 5, 4, 3,
Inis.
2,
Paano?
1.
Ang aga ko.
Wow,
Sige na.
baba. 86. Yan na yung blood sugar niya.
Ang ganito, no?
That's the blood sugar.
80 to
Sa mother ko, 100.
100.
Yeah, oh, that's normal.
Ano yung normal? Ano yung normal?
80 to
80 to
100.
100. But in the other hospital,